In this video, I'll show you how to use FAQ and support for instant help anytime. When something isn't working, waiting for support can be frustrating. With in-app FAQ and support, you get instant access to step-by-step troubleshooting guides for common issues anytime you need it. From device setup to automation problems, most questions can be solved directly inside the app without calls or delays. Now, I'll show you how to use FAQ and support for instant help anytime. Open the Home Automation app. Tap on Settings in the bottom menu. Tap on FAQ. All FAQs are organized by category. Choose the one that matches your issue to access clear, step-by-step solutions and resolve it instantly. That's it, your issue can be resolved instantly using FAQ and support. Thank you.